Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Edu's daily job updates. Cognizant is recruiting freshers or any experienced candidates of 0 to 4 years of any graduation as customer service for at Hyderabad. For the details and application link is provided in the description. Evergreen Technologies is recruiting 2019, 2020, 2021 and 2022 postouts of btech, mtech and MCA as BI or DW trainee at Hyderabad. They are offering a 3 lakhs per annum package for this job. For the details and application link is provided in the description. Amazon is recruiting freshers or experienced candidates of bachelor's degree as HR Contact Center Associate. The number of openings for this job is 300 and they are offering 4,61,300 as an annual package. For the details and application link is provided in the description. Amdocs is recruiting 2021 passed outs of BSc, BCA, BCS and MSc as TBO analyst at Pune. For the details and application link is provided in the description. Cisco is providing data engineering internship for 2023 and 2024 passed outs of BE and btech at Bangalore. For the details and application link is provided in the description. Focus Software Private Limited is recruiting freshers of BE or btech and BSc as software developer at Hyderabad. They are offering 2,50,000 to 3 lakhs as an annual package. For the details and application link is provided in the description. Tech Mahindra is recruiting freshers or experienced candidates of any graduation, post-graduation and MBA as business associate to work at Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai and Pune. For the details and application link is provided in the description. Before applying any job, please read the rules and regulations, terms and conditions and job description carefully. If you like this video, leave a like and share this valuable information with your friends. Subscribe for daily job updates.